Spam calls are a major issue for mobile users, but Cricket Wireless provides built-in tools to combat them. Cricket, owned by AT&T, offers features like block lists, call filters, and a silence unknown callers option. These tools are accessible through the Cricket app or your device settings. Cricket has enhanced spam detection using AT&T's network, including real-time caller verification via stir-shaken protocols, which authenticates caller ID to flag potential spam. While effectiveness varies, these features are key to reducing unwanted calls. You can access the spam blocker in the Cricket app. This automatically identifies and blocks suspected spam numbers. The Silence Unknown Callers feature, available on iOS and Android, sends calls from unrecognized numbers directly to voicemail. Block lists allow you to manually add up to 100 numbers. Cricket also integrates with the FCC's robocall mitigation database, enabling users to report numbers for network-wide blocking. For extra protection, consider third-party apps like Haya or Truecaller. Remember to enable all features for optimal protection.